or study around the area of UN Avenue Manila, luck is on your side. A newly opened dining place serving an affordable buffet is just around the corner. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us on this food trip to dine at BARAM Premium Buffet, conveniently located at the ground level of UN Square Mall, United Nations Avenue, corner San Marcelino St, Ermita Manila. Baram started as a pizza place and a diner, and is now a buffet restaurant, which opened in April this year with authentic Korean, Filipino, and international cuisines with their popular Baram Pizza and Pasta. The buffet spread has mouth-watering starters of Baram's black crust pizza in cheese and Hawaiian flavors. These gourmet pizzas have soft, light, and pliable dough that teases the taste buds in every bite and lets you crave more. It is best paired with pasta Don Alfredo for a light meal. Good news to those who love ramyun. The buffet includes a do-it-yourself serving of the spicy ramyun, the Korean-style instant noodle, which is easy to do and ready in just a few minutes using the ramen machine. Serve hot in a mini pot. For the samgyeopsals, the barbecue section has raw slices of plain and marinated pork belly with enoki roll cooked a la minute by chefs in the closed kitchen. And best served with side dishes of kimchi, lettuce, egg roll, and the well-rounded meal kimbap. The centerpiece of the buffet and the crowd favorite is the flavorful, succulent roast beef, best paired with Caesar salad or apple salad, complemented with a creamy mushroom soup, making you full and satisfied. But wait, there's more! The unlimited buffet offerings don't stop there. Presented at the two-way buffet table are hot mains of Korean favorites that we Filipinos are craving, like beef bulgogi, japchae noodles, buttered fried chicken, chicken stew, spicy pork bulgogi jeokbokkeum, and the champong, a Korean spicy seafood noodle soup. Other old-time favorites of young and old alike included at the buffet are cottage pie, Cajun seafood, vegetable dish of the day, stir-fried mushroom, and the hearty oxtail soup, complemented with plain or fried rice. Sweet tooths also enjoyed the pressed fruits, assorted mini cakes, pandan jelly, and freshly made waffles in the open kitchen. Best paired with soft-serve ice cream of vanilla and strawberry flavors. Beverages of cold melon and iced tea drinks are served throughout the buffet. Baram Premium Buffet, birthday celebrants can enjoy a free eat-all-you-can buffet accompanied by one full-paying adult at 648 pesos, valid on the celebrant's birthday only. The celebrant experiences a fun celebration while serenaded with a birthday song and an extra treat of a whole birthday pizza. The Baram Premium Buffet of the Baram Group of Restaurants makes unlimited dining affordable and within reach of the average income earners, students, and families coming together for lunch and dinner. It also presented a cozy and comfortable gimmick place conducive to small conversations and great company while enjoying a satisfying meal with efficient and courteous waiters always happy to serve. The restaurant has a large pay parking area nearby, accessible from UN Avenue, convenient for diners with vehicles. For inquiries and reservations, call 0910-165-2701. Baram Premium Buffet is open for lunch from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and dinner from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. with 2-hour dining time limit. See you on our next food trip at Yosemite. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.